Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
The blind man that communicates like a bat. The number of things that the human body and mind can achieve is astonishing. Take the case of Daniel Kish as a prime example. Daniel is blind, and yet you would not think so if you saw him walking around without any help. The reason for this is very simple, and it is all to do with echolocation. For those do not know, echolocation is what bats use in order to avoid flying into things, and it seems that Daniel has managed to perfect that technique for his own self. As he walks around, Daniel makes a clicking sound with his tongue, and he then reads the sound waves that come back to him, as they change according to any objects that are ahead. From that, he is able to interpret the sound wave and can then move around without bumping into things.
Can you wear a t-shirt in Antarctica?
Do you believe that you could wear a t-shirt in Antarctica? It sounds as if it would be completely impossible, but it seems that this is not the case. Okay, so we are not talking about you walking around outside in the ice and snow, as that would be insane, but then we are also not talking about wearing a t-shirt in the warm research outposts that are scattered across Antarctica. The answer is that scientists have discovered a series of caves beneath the ice that have ultimately led to an entire cave network to be explored. It is said that as it is so far beneath the ice that it is free from the cold temperatures that plague the upper surface, hence the comment about being able to wear a shirt. They also hope that the network is going to lead to the discovery of new animal species and a completely different ecosystem, although they have still to do the work to check if that is okay. However, to answer the question, yes, you can wear a t-shirt in Antarctica, but you have to be careful as to where or how you wear it. Driving in Spain. Spain has some pretty peculiar rules when it comes to driving. Check them out. Number 1. It's illegal to drive while wearing flip-flops, or while being shirtless or barefoot. Number 2. If you park on sand that is deemed protected, you could receive a fine up to 6,000 euros, or $6,665. Number 3. If a driver is caught kissing a passenger or biting their nails, they can receive a fine. Number 4. The driver's ears must be visible at all time. Number 5. Driving with a hand or arm out the window can cost you €100, $110 fine. Thank you guys, keep supporting us.